Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 forecast center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Tuesday evening, 9:30. Cloudy, still dry in Providence. A cold rain should be starting in the next hour, and even a little bit of wet snow for a couple of hours in the northwest corner of the state. That forecast still holds, and the reason why, we'll switch over to North Situate. And it's hard to see. In fact, I got to put my glasses on, and you can see. Let me find the street light. Right there, and you can see some of that. So this is the intersection of 101 and 102, and there's the light snow right in here. You can see it in the street lamp. This will probably go for a couple of hours in northwest Rhode Island. I do expect a switch or a change over to rain here by the midnight hour, and rain elsewhere. So this is the kind of the setup here. This area in pink now till about midnight, wet snow, but a quick change to rain. And just rain, plain rain elsewhere, and that'll continue overnight. So the system that we're tracking is coming up from the mid-Atlantic. The blue is snow, the green and yellow and red indicating some rain, and that'll overspread the area in the next hour. It is certainly cold enough in northern New England and the mountains to remain all snow for ski country. Here's another look at that precipitation advancing north and east. This will spill over into the overnight hours and into early on Wednesday morning. When we take this into the future, this is midnight, looking at rain. The blue is snow, which is central and northern New England. There's leftover showers early on Wednesday morning. This is 8 a.m. Temperatures starting off in the 50s. And then watch what happens during the afternoon. The bulk of the precipitation moves to the north and east. We actually, though, this is about 2 o'clock. We dry out. This gray represents cloud cover. But look at the sun trying to break out in western Connecticut. We'll see some partial clearing here, but not until 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening, and then clear skies for tomorrow night. Bottom line, the wettest part of Wednesday would be during the morning. As far as snowfall, and this is essentially Mass Pike north, though parts of northwest Connecticut have seen up to an inch of snow tonight. We're not getting that here in Rhode Island and southeastern Mass. And the mountains of Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont, ski country, up to 6 inches of snow. That's where we have winter weather advisories for the areas in purple. Again, does not include southeastern New England. It's mostly rain for us, even though some light snow has started in Foster and North Situate. This is midnight, and the green represents mainly rain, and that'll continue overnight. Here we are on Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. Temperatures in the 50s, some leftover rain showers, and then during the afternoon, this is around 12 noon. A couple of things to point out here, which is pretty interesting. Look at the temperature at 12 noon in Pasco. Look at the temperature in Fall River, 64. There's a strong front right in here. So at noontime Wednesday, colder air north and west of Providence, much warmer air south and east of the city, upper 50s to low 60s. And then watch these temperatures tumble throughout the afternoon. Now, all this gray at 2 o'clock in the afternoon is cloud cover, but it's drying out. And then notice what happens as we get towards late afternoon, some partial clearing, and right on into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. So here's the breakdown. We've got the showers and rain early on Wednesday morning, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. It'll start off in the 50s, and it may approach 60 by noontime, and then falling back, cooling down during the afternoon. Second half of the day, Wednesday, looks dry and breezy, with temperatures falling and dropping down to 45 by 5 o'clock in the evening. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.